Hi all, let's see ArrayList in C Sharp. ArrayList is a non-generic collection. ArrayList size grows automatically when new elements are added to it. It contains elements of different data types. To create an ArrayList, create an object for ArrayList using new keyword. To insert values in ArrayList, we can use add method or object initializer syntax like this. An array list can contain multiple null and duplicate values. Let's see how to access elements of array list. He created a sample console application and inside main function declared an array list using object initializer syntax. Here I assigned 4 elements to this array list object, each are different data types. We can access array list element using its index. Here I'm explicitly casting the element into integer type and assign it into the integer variable. For this we should know which type the element belongs to. If we don't know the element type, we can also use var keyword to access the array list elements. We can also iterate the elements in array list using for each and for loop. Let's check by running. Here the result. By using add range method, we can add an entire array, hash table, sorted list, queue or slack in array list. For example, here created an object for array list and here created an array. We can add this entire elements from array into array list using add range method. By using insert method, we can insert an element at the specified index into array list. For example, here created an object for array list and assign some values and calling insert method, and inside the parenthesis specify the index and value. This will insert test address value into index 2. Like insert, by using insert range method, we can insert a collection in an array list at the specified index like this. By using remove range method, we can remove elements from array list. For example, here remove method removes first occurrence of null elements from this array list. Remove at method removes the specified index element. Remove range method removes elements from start index to end index. Here I specified 0 to 1, so it removes 0 to first index elements. Like this, we can also use short, reverse, contains, clear, copy to get range index of methods in array list. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.